finalist for the SEMA Battle of the Builders, Bobby Alloway.
Huh.
His 1933
That's really hard to believe that that the car won. My name's Bobby Alloway. I have Alloway's Hot Rod Shop in Louisville, Tennessee. I won the Battle of the Builders in 2015 with a 33 Ford Roadster.
Congratulations to you, our SEMA Battle of the Builders winner. How about a round of applause?
Very humbling is what it is to win something like that with when you're the competition is so strong with all of those builders, especially Chip and the Rings and Tucker and all of those guys.
This was a car built to try to be era correct.
2015 was a really good year for us. We won the AMBR, which is America's Most Beautiful Roadster. Then I got inducted into the Hall of Fame, and we won the Roadster show with another car, and then go to SEMA and win Battle of the Builders. It was, like I said in the clip, it probably time to just to quit, because I don't know if you can do any better than that. 15 was a great year. SEMA for me has been great. We've been associated with Ford Motor Company, with PPG, with BF Goodrich, with a bunch of deals, and it lets us showcase our cars. You get some international attention there at the SEMA show. The quality of products and cars there are untouched. It gives us a chance as a builder to go through and look at new products and try to find new stuff to use on the car.
Thank you, Chris. The guys at the shop, I mean, I couldn't do it without them. They put so much time and effort in this car and helped me get it here.
The struggle to get there for the show was, we put the doors on the car the day before we left that night, and started the car that day.
Bobby, how you feeling right now?
I can't believe it. We've had a great year. I'll have to quit after this.